The perimeter can be thought of as the length of the outline of a shape. One way that we can measure perimeter is using a grid. Let's take a look at how to do this. To work out the perimeter of this shape, the first thing that we need to do is look at the units on the grid. We can see from the label that this shape is drawn onto a 1 centimetre squared grid. To work out the perimeter of this shape, all we need to do is count the squares around the shape. There are 6 squares around the shape, therefore the perimeter of the shape is 6 centimetres. Let's take a look at a different example. We can see that this shape is drawn onto a 1 metre squared grid, therefore the edge of each square has a length of 1 metre. So let's count the squares to work out the perimeter. There are 8 squares around the shape. Therefore, the perimeter of this shape is 8 metres. Top tip: when measuring length with a grid, mark the sides off as you count them to avoid counting them more than once. And always remember to check the units.